try to do this and drive, but you guys, okay, wait. Oh my god, it's so pretty! Look at it! Yes! What's today's date? December 18th? And we're getting snow, even though it's not sticking because it's not really cold enough for it to stick. But like these flakes, bro. Oh yeah. Thing at the end of the day is that it all comes down to communication in any relationship that you're in. Just communicate with me. Like, let me know what. You found a man or a woman? Communicate with me. Let me know that you will not have enough time for me anymore. I understand that. Got friends again? That's great for you. Communicate with me. Let me know that. Let me know. I will understand that. I don't want to talk to me anymore. Communicate that with me. Let me understand that. Like, just communicate. Be up all of my life one day on Monday, and then by Friday you're out, and I don't know what the hell is going on because I'm not gonna try to figure it out. I'm not Inspector fucking Gadget. I have to use my camera now. I don't have a regular camera, so yeah, I lost my camera on our way to fucking bowling. If we came at 9, this would have never happened. Shit. But anyways, we're gonna still turn up. That's okay. Christmas is coming, so you know, you never know. I might just get all money. But anyways, it's my turn. I don't know why would make me go first. I'm gonna roll it like this. No, you know they have the things where you can like put it on and it rolls down for you. Oh my god. Okay. I was just worried. You know you have to get the warm-up shots and stuff, you know? This is pretty great. You tapping them on the toys. Turn up! Wait! Oh my god! Okay, I'm gonna go. I don't know it. It's your first time. I'm testing the water. Why do I keep putting it here? Why you got this warmed up? Okay, well. All the lighter balls are in the front. No, it's number 9. I wanted number 9. What number do you have? This is 9 or 6. Mine. This, y'all. This she be talking about is heavy. Shit. Hurry up! Focus, camera, focus. Oh my god! Sorry! No?
Yo, come on! Straight, straight.
Woo! My girl, call Licky Ball then, call Licky Ball. Yes! Yes!
Record it. Pressed it and gave it to me.
I did press it.
Okay, then it was recorded.
It wasn't.
Let's
Anyways.
next round.
Anyways, we're bowling and stuff. Oh, okay, yeah. So Lorraine's here. Tiffany's about to bowl. This is a new face, but to you guys, but not to me. Oh, he's so black. Wait, no, come and highlight. Come and highlight. Wait. No, wait. Okay, guys, so this is Steven. Hi, Steven.
How are you guys?
Hi. Say hi to the subscribers. Hi. Yeah, so this is Steven. He's my ex-best friend. Yeah, because, you know, I never used to have time for me because he didn't have a woman. You know how the thing go, you know, so you let them go. And then, like, you know, like I said before, you let them go, and then if it's meant to be, it come back, you know, and it keep coming back. But I saw it go, you know, all of my friendships, them I saw it go. It's just break on, break off, break on, break off, break on, break. She know. She know. She know. And then you have Kim. Kim's here. Kim's always here. Kim's always here. She's only ever missed one thing, and it didn't even happen, so she didn't technically miss it at all. So yeah, we're just bowling, and I'm not really caring about my camera, even though I keep talking about it every second. But you know, it's Christmas time's coming, so it's whatever. We're gonna have to do what we're gonna have to do for now, right? Right. Yeah. So.
Great.
Woo! Maybe I should have kept on my scarf. Then maybe I would be getting some points. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna put on my scarf because they're all wearing scarves and they all have points. And that's why you're sucking. But you have only 6. They're at 11. Kamisha's gonna. They're at 11. Kamisha's gonna be at like. You see? I have 0. Look at this bitch. Look at that.
I need to go buy a scarf. Where do I go?
I'm dropping mine. I'm gonna go get some pints now. You understand? I'm gonna go get some points
There's only
now.
one person without a point.
Shut your mouth! Listen, I invited you here, Negro. I can kick your ass out. Don't get me started.
Oh shit.
That's why you're getting all the friggin' pins.
Does this shirt have a big old rock?
Is she coolie?
I know what Sheree would have.
Oh, it's me? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna kick ass just now. I'm just gonna. Are you going?
Bop, 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 bop.
Got it, bro?
Kaboom! Best ball ever.
Try again.
First ball, let's see ball again. Oh shit.
Yo, it's okay. We're gonna
The
make
ball too
it.
heavy, it's okay.
We're gonna. Yo, I'm gonna kick your ass.
Yeah, I want this puppet father. I want this puppet.
Come on, basics. Aim. Find a target.
Yeah, eh?
Don't aim.
Yeah, eh?
Cock your hand back. Yeah. No! What are you doing?
It's your bum. It's holding you
You know
back.
what? I think you gotta go to the right board.
That's what I told her. I said,
Like on this side.
I and when I put it to that side, it goes out to the side.
I can't, like.
I'm not fucking doing this again. Fuck this 31. Yo, this girl don't like. You're lying. You've been here before. You're so damn lie. Look who came. Woo! Yo, just lean it towards like the middle-ish to the.
You're giving tips and.
Yes, look! Woo! I told you could do it, you stupid. Good job. Just go, man.
You're never going to Yo, Marlon, you get one more. Marlon, if you push it.
Classic.
Oh, I can't deal, yo.
You get, like, I'm second to last, okay?
That was the first time? Look how I can listen.
all right. Let me take listen.
Hey. Jesus Christ. No one.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Yo, that's so funny, chicken.
Chipad.
Yeah!
Easy enough spear.
You don't have to show off, okay?
Again, see? Again, you know, 9 and... What about D-Mantic 666?
Yo, Steven, shut up!
Listen.
You're Dr. Junker, you're too hype.
Alright. See me competition 20.
Are you having fun? You can't talk. You can't talk. Hallelujah. You're so dumb. Yes, go Kimmy. Oh God, oh God. May I take off my scarf? May I take off my scarf? Oh no, now win again. You guys aren't winning anywhere. Oh my God.
Straight.
This shit is too funny.
You pick the right ball. One of them is like. There's all these balls.
The orange one's nice.
The what?
The orange ball is nice.
That's mine.
Don't touch me.
Good ball.
Kamisha.
See it, that's it, that's it.
Yes, Kim! Yes! Yes!
I told you that was
What does that mean? Half a strike?
Marlon.
Is this mine? I don't know, but okay.
Don't mess it up.
Oh my God, I got a strike!
Marlon.
Oh my God! I told you guys, don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me, Nico. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Strike! Yo, watch this guy now.
Marlon. Think about it. Do the move.
Yo, try to hit it hard, like in the center.
I'm gonna get some more strike, yo. Yeah,
Marlon! Oh my God! You're gonna break the people. The people that late, yo. Oh my God! Stop, yo. Hey. Okay, go, girl. Woo! Shake that booty. Yes. Strike. Woo! Go, girl.
You're not gonna do surfboard?
Yo, she's crazy. Marley, not seen Zoido?
He already knows.
Yo, I have an inner white person.
That's a strike right there. All that ass.
moonwalking.
Yes,
The floor, nice.
I'll get better next time, I promise. It's because I was being recorded why I didn't get the strike this time, you know what I'm saying?
I thought
Yo, you know you look like a light skinned virgin or Teresa, you know that?
What you did? Video for you?
Woo! Yes! Go, babe! Give me a high five, you jerk! High five, good job!
Get the rest of the ground now, and then we can talk.
Marlon, take your time. Don't just run up and throw it. Oh my God. Good job! Almost. Yeah, can I get a high five now? Thank you.
Go, go, go. Ready? Yes, strike. Strike, strikes. Hey, 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 hey. Marlon.
Look at leader.
Go, 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 go.
See, it's still rocking it. Yo, what's the drop?
Hey.
What's the drop?
Before you even hit it, it's gonna drop.
Boom.
Like, look at it. Look at. Can your thing zoom in?
Yeah, just ding it.
What? Oh.
Stop. What you sent me, you gotta say the same.
Oh, it stopped wobbling though. No, I got it. But it stopped wobbling. Hold on.
I'm not gonna get it.
Hold on, let me get it from this side.
He's so dumb. Okay, so much.
Go! Go, man!
Okay.
I can't even Yes!
Like, you cannot just run up and throw it. You have to, like, position yourself.
Okay, if you don't get a strike, I'm gonna punch you.
No, we're not punching anyone.
I'll give you $1.
No.
Okay, so like, look at get it. I'll give you $5.
More than that, man.
10.
You ain't even gonna get the damn strike.
10. You owe me $10.
Marlon, just take your time.
Hey.
You see?
Hey.
He's gonna get it.
Why don't you ever just listen to me in the beginning? Like, I'm always right.
You never shake, so.
Just take your damn time. Go. Good job.
Could you do that the next time? But you would have gotten it. You would have gotten it.
Go, best friend.
Yo, are you dumb? Yo, Kobe. He has to get a strike the first time.
We're not gonna pay attention to that one.
Right? Are you gonna retire now?
One more year.
Or one more round?
We should start like a bowling club. Yeah, like we should. No. I don't. I'm not at that level yet.
I would make you guys lose and you'd be mad.
One is better than none. At least you're not getting 0 like I was. Esha!
That's a strike. That's a strike.
It's the blonde. Yeah! Yes!
Good ball. That's why you're winning. It's because I'm good luck for you too, because that's my ball. Huh? We're on the same team. We're on the same team, Marlon. Get me a strike and then we can talk.
Yes, go Sprite.
That's a gutter? I think that's but you have my ball, so gutter ball!
Oh no!
Almost.
That's good luck for you.
Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. You don't have to be sad.
Hold on, let me.
Strike.
You should use my ball. You should use. Look at her face.
Watch this now. Strike. Yo, I'm having so much fun. Like, see, I get tap up and all these things. Like, I'm having a blast. I don't know about you. I don't care about my camera being lost. Like, you know, like I said, it's Christmas. But I should probably go and buy one tomorrow just to use for now.
I can tell her.
Woo! Hey! Hey!
Almost.
Oh, I thought it was Hotline Bling. Sorry. Never mind. It's not the right song. Sorry.
Go. Strike. Oh! Are you gonna twerk?
Ain't even paying attention to us right now. Like, what are you guys talking about?
And Carolina Gould. I don't think it's that interesting.
Yo, but that never. What? Carolina? Off to the side, man. Off to the side. Yes. That's your turn. That's mine.
That's your turn.
Wow.
You only
really want.
Only black people left.
I know.
That's why they play that song, huh?
I know, right?
Got her! What you want? Wish they had something that could cook.
Black Hawk traffic. Hey.
Look at
Hey,
you!
hey, Yadi, yes, Yadi, lick it, Ladi, lick it, Yadi, lick it, lick it, lick it, lick it, roar, roar. Sorry, I'm just joking.
You're such an idiot, man. Like, I can't. As long as my foot rested, I'm good.
Welcome to Jamrock. Welcome to Jamrock. Out in the streets, they call it murder.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yo,
When you don't know anything about your friends.
No, I just got it done this
Or
week.
nah. Or
It
nah.
was this week. I want to get another
What is that?
one.
What is that?
Love.
I like it. It's pretty.
Yo, this place makes you look like you have Andrew.
I know. I was gonna say that's why I said wear something light. Because if you wear something dark, it catches all the lint on you. It catches all the lint.
If my hairstyle is not dandruff, it's gel or something.
If juice doesn't go, Stephen Wright.
Tell me, really, that's the money, girl. God,
I fucking hate you. You fucking piece of shit.
Yo, you guys need to stop that bullshit. Take dick or not.
Nicoy. Nikai. It's your turn, babe.
Yeah. How much time did you get called, babe?
I won the first game, so that's all I.
Shut your mouth. I don't want to hear
No,
nothing.
I won the first game. I won the first game.
Whoa,
won
high
the
five.
first game. Which first game you win?
Are you dumb?
You the everybody team.
Yo, they're forever fighting. Like, I can't with that. Or man, you have to give me my pitney.
I didn't even
You can't kill him after that. I just want me to pitney them first. You understand?
That's a strike. The weekend version's better. I like it better. I'm a 3.
Girl.
Give me a high five. No, not a low five. I said a high
High five. That's what you don't want now. Hey.
Things, aim. Of the shadow of that, I take a look at my life. I've been alive from sir, cause I've been trying to life just so long that even if my mom was around, I said I better change the money. I said it's a situation. Picking up more gas, housewarming. Here we go. It's a situation. Yeah, we out here. Picking up more guests. Housewarming. Yo, that's the best video of 2015. Been spending most of their lives living in the gangster's paradise. Been spending most of their lives living. Yo, this is like one of my favorite movies too.
That's him, not you.
Womp womp womp. Whoa!
Good luck. Give me a high five.
Strike!
I rubbed the ball.
Hello.
We left bowling. We're at Denny's now. We're eating. And
Can I breathe?
yeah. I got a little yummy burger. This girl got some salmon, wild rice, and some light skinned corn. Got some hush puppies,
What you call it?
some garlic
Say that
bread,
name there again.
some fish and chips.
Right.
The quesadilla. Yo, wait, can I get another bite of the quesadilla?
You see, you didn't even want the fucking hash browns, you stupid idiot.
Yo, take your camera and your phone out of my phone for me, broke it. I don't put it on me. You have some respect.
I do have respect.
You're on the table.
And?
Phone and those things put away.
Oh, but yours is on the table.
But like half the
Yeah,
shit
but
you're
me not
talking
use
about,
it.
It doesn't matter, but it's on the table.
Everybody else on the table, they not use it.
Oh?
I'm using
dog?
mine.
Don't put that on me.
I've been using mine. Girl, use your phone if you wanna. Merry Christmas.
You break that
Happy
fish,
New
you know?
Year.
I'm concerned. I'm very concerned.
Please don't be concerned about me.
Why are you concerned about my friend?
My family isn't, so I think I'm good.
Because she went to Jamaica. She go there before. And she go there again.
The thing they know, yeah.
And she go there before. Yeah, and she go
Yo, this is the first time that they have met.
But you think they were like best friends?
And you would swear they've known each other for years.
Right?
You guys are so annoying.
I got them talking about gambling and on my phone.
Why would you do that? They're so annoying.
What? Got him home? What's the what? What's the what?
Nothing.
Where's the door?
Nothing at all.
Where catch?
Nothing.
Alright, basket.
Them guys, boy.
That lie is so